The significance of well water treatment. Is it important? The answer to this question is not only essential to homeowners, but to anyone who relies on well water for their everyday needs. Our health is directly linked to the quality of our water. By ensuring our well water is treated correctly, we ensure a healthier and safer life for ourselves and our loved ones. Now, the process of well water treatment might seem daunting, but it's actually a series of simple steps that anyone can follow. So, fasten your seatbelts as we dive into this life-essential journey. The first step in treating well water is testing. It's crucial to know what contaminants might be lurking in your water, and the only way to find out is through testing. The best resource for this is softprowatersystems.com. They have all the best resources for testing, and then a step-by-step tutorial and recommendation tools to make the process easy for you. Once you know what you're dealing with, the next step is choosing the right treatment method. There are various methods available, ranging from filtration systems, ultraviolet light treatment, to reverse osmosis systems. It's essential to choose a method that suits your specific needs and effectively removes the detected contaminants. SoftPro Water Systems Wisdom Tool will do all this work for you and recommend the proper solutions for your application. The third step involves installing the chosen treatment system. This is where you either follow SoftPro Water System, easy-to-follow step-by-step installation guides, and use their free online technical support team, or hire a handyman to follow the same instructions and install the systems for you. You do not need a plumber or a water treatment installer to install these systems, so don't fall for the sales pitch. You need a professional trained installer. It's just a way for some others to sell you on a higher price, nothing more. After installation, regular maintenance of the system is crucial. SoftPro Water Systems sends you reminders on when and what to check with online instructions on how to do this. It is very simple to do so. Don't be sold on it. It takes a trained technician. It's not hard to do and generally takes 20 minutes a few times per year. Lastly, frequent testing of your treated water is necessary. This will help you to monitor the effectiveness of your treatment system and make any necessary adjustments. You can purchase your own basic water treatment test kit that tests for water hardness, iron, manganese, and pH. These tests are the basics that all water treatment technicians use to troubleshoot systems if ever an issue. So to sum it up, the well water treatment process involves testing your water, choosing and installing the right treatment system, maintaining the system a few times per year, and conducting tests on your treated water a few times per year. Remember, treating your well water is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about ensuring that the water you and your loved ones use daily is safe and free from harmful contaminants. So don't overlook the importance of well water treatment. It's a simple process that can make a world of difference to your health and well-being. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to ensuring safe and clean water for your household. And remember, when it comes to water, quality matters. The better the water, the better your life. Remember, water is life. Treat it with respect, and it will reciprocate with health and vitality. So get started on your well water treatment journey today and enjoy the benefits of clean, safe water.